What is CODA? Right from its inception, CODA's mission has been to create innovative technologies and sophisticated solutions that enhance any environment. Traditionally, audio technologies have come with limitations, but now we have bypassed these by creating our own patented solutions. At CODA, we don't compromise, we innovate. CODA addresses inherent limitations by inventing new technologies. From sensor-controlled low frequencies to completely reinventing the delivery system for mid and high frequencies, CODA's decades of achievement leave no room for doubt. Today's expectations for the spaces in which we live, learn, and work demand elite performance, financial viability, product sustainability, ease of implementation, reliability, and aesthetics. Space by CODA allows designers to push the boundaries of immersive design with results that exceed expectations. In the past decade alone, our patented component and product designs have allowed the company to solve our customers' problems in inventive new ways. New technology is only an advance when it is engineered with purpose, relevance, and elegance. CODA continues to break new ground to solve problems. CODA knows that a company is only as effective as the people behind it. CODA's worldwide offices currently provide roles to hundreds of individuals, all playing a crucial role in serving the marketplace. Roles include manufacturing and design, technical support, software development, technology research and development, marketing, sales, sales support, and administration. CODA continues to invest in its people worldwide. An empowered and impassioned team is vital to continued success. Today, you are here to witness the next stage of this evolution. The future is in our hands. The future is CODA.